Hello fam, hello everybody, welcome back to Marvelous Beauty World. I'm so excited because this channel will be doing more of skincare. So today I'm so excited because I've got a good news for you. But before I give you that good news, going forward I can see how we are growing together. I'm so happy. I would like to say big thank you to you all for your support, for your love. I do appreciate you and the girls as well, Coach Marvin and Coach Melissa. They do appreciate you. So today we'll be doing skincare. So I've got two active here. So we've got vitamin C and hyaluronic acid. So today I'm gonna share with you how to combine these two active. We've got a lot of active, but I was like, let's slow it down, going gradually but gently. So we'll be sharing these two. So if you have, like, aging skin, you are wondering your skin is aging, your skin has lack of water, your skin is tired, so this video is for you, girl. So keep watching to see how I'm gonna do it. Much love. As I told you in my intro, so today we'll be sharing two active, hyaluronic acid and vitamin C. So because it's the vitamin C that we'll be putting first, so I'm gonna explain what the vitamin C does in our skin. Vitamin C helps our skin, our top layer of our skin, which is epidermis. It helps it like to brightening the skin, to give it like a smooth effect, like to make it look nice and plumpy. So I've got two. So I've got this one, so it's kind of like a oil, so that's how it looks like. So easier, so it's kind of like a oil. You see, it's kind of like drops. This one is oil, so it's up to you, honestly. It depends of your preference. So you can use it as a oil, you just get like maybe one, so you get 1, 2, 3 drops. I think 3 drops will do, so you can use 3 drops. You just put in your hand and then you come on your face. You do like, you just dab it on your face, kind of like dabbing motion. So when you are doing dabbing motion, it's really good because it's kind of like pushing the product into your skin instead of rubbing. So the best way to apply your vitamin C is just like dabbing it. You dab it on your skin, so you put like everywhere on your skin, so to lock this moist and this smooth and on your skin, to make your skin look nice and plump and bright. You see that it looks so amazing, it looks so nice. It's very important that, guys, to introduce your vitamin C in your skin regimen if you don't. So the second one we have here is like a mist, still vitamin C. So it's here, energizing face mist. So it's really nice as well. So you use it like a mist, it's just like a spray. You shake it before you shake and you spray it on your face. So very nice. It's up to you. You can use it as a spray, you can use it as a oil, you can use it as a serum as well, but the one I've got today is just the oil and the mist. So those are our vitamin C. What it does on the skin, it helps you like to energize your skin, to boost your skin, to help your epidermis, the face layer of your skin, to look nice and bright and clean. So that vitamin C, brightening skin, that's the property of vitamin C. So I think you are understanding and getting what I'm talking about, guys. If you feel like this video is interesting, I know this video is interesting, so please, we all do like skincare. Give us a thumbs up, tell us what you think in the comment section down below. So what you think, do you use vitamin C? Which kind of vitamin C do you use? I use the oil sometimes I use the mist. It depends just on my mood. Sometimes I use the moisturizer as well, so it depends. So vitamin C comes like in a lot kind of like shade, so you can have it like a mist, you can have it like an oil, you can have it like a moisturizer, you can have it like a toner. So it just depends on the company manufacturer. So the first thing, so if you want to use hyaluronic acid with vitamin C, you cleanse your face first and then you do your toner. After your toner, your skin is nice and fresh, and then you put your vitamin C. After your vitamin C, give it like few minutes, so for the skin to absorb the product. When you finish, you go with your hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid is really nice. It helps like our epidermis, so which is the face layer of our skin, to just be moist. And then you see, as you can see, the formula of the hyaluronic acid, see, it's kind of like a gel. See here, so you see this one is come like a toner, hyaluronic acid toner. So it's a moisturizer toner. So it's here. So see how it looks like. it looks kind of like, you know, gelish and stuff. So after putting your vitamin C, you go with your hyaluronic acid. You go, so you put it. What it does, it just help your skin, you know, to plump, to keep the water, to lock the water on your skin. Guys, if you don't use it, please, this is new year, it's new you know, you need to try different things, introducing the different products on your skincare, so that's help you, you know, to have a nice plumpy skin. You know, sometimes when you have a beautiful skin, you don't even need like to be putting like makeup all the time, so you can have like your natural skin, nice and plumpy and fresh and good, you know. But I still do like my makeup because I'm a beauty therapist. I like my makeup, I like my skincare, I like everything, you know. I like my pedicure, manicure, I like everything. But it's the what I think, like these days with what is going on with the virus and stuff, you know, sometimes you wear your makeup, it starts staining on the mask and then you are having problem, you know. So that's why I was like, no, this corona teaches a lesson, so we have to look after our skin. So that's why, guys, I'm here to help you guys, you know, to teach you how to look after your skin. Yeah, so that was all for our video today. So we have been sharing our hyaluronic acid and the vitamin C. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you for everything. We do appreciate you. So I hope if you have any question or anything, please leave us on the comments down below, so we'll be able to read it. If you have ever tried any of this product before, let us know, or if you have a different one you use, let us know. All for today. It was your loved one, Mami, here. So if it's your first time in this channel, we do skincare, makeup, fashion, and we have the girls here as well. Please subscribe and then don't forget to hit the notification button, so whenever we upload, you'll be the first one to know it. We thank you so much again, once again. So before I go, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Don't keep the video for you. Sharing is caring. Love you. I see you until my next one. Bye.